In this video, I'm going to be explaining how your subconscious mind is programmed and how you can reprogram it. Welcome back to another video. I'm Max Hindle I, help entrepreneurs reprogram their life, rewire their mind for happiness, success, abundance, fulfillment, confidence, you name it, I do it. Now, the subconscious mind is the habitual mind. It isn't the thinking mind, it's the habitual mind. It's told what to do. So, how do you get something to change when it's always been told to think a certain way? You have to reprogram it. Now, how do you reprogram it? Through repetition. Biggest key right here. If you, my friend, speak English, you are my friend and you speak English. If I said to you right now, from this day forward, you will no longer ever be able to speak English, you have to only speak French. Let's say you can't already speak French. If you do speak French, you have to speak French for the rest of your life. Straight away, your mind is going to be going, oh my God, that's scary. Oh my God, I don't want to do that. I don't want to change. It's so much easier for me to speak English. I can't do this. I don't want to do this. I can't do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Which is reinstalling the belief in your mind to say this is going to be hard. Which is reinstalling and confirming to yourself this is going to be scary. Which therefore makes it scary. So, how is this programmed? How can you repeat things to speak a different language? Let's say you're speaking the language of poverty. How do you speak a language of abundance? Let's say you're speaking the language of depression and anxiety. How do you speak the language of happiness? Let's say you're speaking the language of unhealthy. How do you speak the language of healthy? What it comes down to is how you think about you. And one of my favorite ever quotes was from a philosopher named Cooley. I heard it from Jay Shetty, but it's from a philosopher named Cooley. I'm not who I think I am. I'm not who you think I am. I am who I think you think I am. So essentially, we are living in a perception of a perception. I will live a certain way based on how I think you think I should live. If I believe that you believe I'm happy, I'm going to be happy. If I believe that you believe I'm going to be confident, I'm going to be confident. If I believe that you believe I'm going to be shy, I'm going to be shy. And then what it comes down to is embodying the feeling, the thought, combining a clear intention with a feeling and emotion, which creates the action, which therefore will give you the result of what you want in life. So who do people believe you to be? What do you believe people believe you to be? Because that's exactly how you're going to act in life. That's exactly who you're going to be. You're putting on that facade. You're speaking English when it may be better for you to speak French. The love of your life may be French. The job of your dreams may be in France or a French country. But we're never going to find that out unless we begin to take action to learn this new language. The love of your life is speaking the language of happiness. So you're never going to find that person until you speak the language of happiness. All the abundance, the wealth of your dreams, the business of your dreams speaks a language of abundance. So you need to speak a language of abundance to therefore manifest it into your reality. So how can you begin to do this today? What can you actually start to do? Repeat these steps. And I will say that again, repeat these steps. Repeat what I'm going to say constantly, every day, not for 30 days, and if it doesn't work, I won't do it again. Not for 60 days, and if it doesn't give me the results, I'll just put it away. Repeat these steps constantly, every single day, until you get the result. Not until you see nothing happening and just giving it a time limit. Don't give it a time limit. Never give it a time limit. A time limit will hinder you. And if you truly wanted something, you wouldn't give it a time limit. If you truly, and I'll give an example of myself. I truly want to be able to create a movement of happy and fulfilled people. So I'm not stopping until I've done that. It may take me 1 more year. It may take me 10 more years. It may take me 20, 30, 40 more years. I'm not worried about how long it's going to take me because I'm enjoying the process of it happening. I love the process. And I'm growing, I'm getting happier, and I'm improving myself every single day in many different ways. There's going to be bad days. There's days where I'm just like, it's going to be tricky. Right, that's there. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? And I've begun to be able to catch myself when I'm getting to that stage in my life. I've begun to say, right, I need to meditate. I need to get rid of this. This is not my belief. 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 So, starting with the little things. Like the music you're listening to, is it positive, is it empowering? Are you consuming information? Are you watching videos on YouTube that are about your personal development? If you want to be confident, you need to be watching and consuming content, whether that's books, whether that's audiobooks, whether that's videos, or even people you're speaking to that have the answers on how to be confident. How does a confident person stand? How do they walk? How do they talk? How do they look? When you start to model that, it will work. Same exact way, how does an abundant person stand? How do they talk? How do they walk? How do they act? Start taking these traits on. Because I could read this one book once and I'll get a bit of information from it. I read it a second time, I will find another bit of information in there that I didn't see the first time. Not because the information wasn't there or because I didn't read it, because I've grown since I last read it. The more I read it, and that's why I listen to the same book over and over and over and over again, because the key is repetition. How do you get bigger muscles? Repetition. How do you create confidence? You repeat, so the confidence muscle gets the repetitions and grows stronger. How do you get better at speaking on camera? Repetition. If you go back to some of my first videos, even before I did YouTube, if you go back to the first videos I've got on my phone of me talking, I'm talking like that in one tone and there's not really much expression at all, and I'm sort of sitting there, I'm not really moving. Whereas now you can see I'm more expressive, I'm understanding how to use YouTube a little bit more. I'm making content every single day, and still it's taken me a long time to get here. But I make content every single day, I make videos every single day. Not because I know that the outcome is going to be great, because I genuinely enjoy the process, but also I know the outcome's going to be great. Because don't get me wrong, like, it's fun. It's fun making these videos. It's a lot of hard work. But long term, I know my outcome that I want to reach a lot of people, and long term that's going to empower me. So repeating these things. Affirmations work, but they only work when you repeat them. But when you combine, and I've explained a video on this before, and I will put a card to this up here or here, one side, and it will explain how to make affirmations work. And the way you make them work is combining your clear intention, the affirmation, I am strong, with a feeling that of strength. I am abundant, with a feeling that of abundance. You have to combine a clear, elevated emotion to that of the affirmation or intention you are saying to yourself. So what I want you to start doing today is ask yourself this question. What can I begin to repeat day after day after day after day in order to get these results? And it is quite a simple answer. Everyone talks about this. Personal development, read books, consume knowledge from people that have had 30, 40, 50 years experience. If you can't read like I couldn't, listen to audiobooks, watch YouTube videos. Use these modalities of information to consume them in different ways. Make sure you're consuming positive, powerful and empowering information. Stuff that's going to help you, stuff that's going to inspire you, stuff that's going to make you want to grow. Another thing I want you to do is start listening to people's stories more often. Start listening what they came from to where they went. That gives you hope. And what is hope? This is the analogy I like to use. Imagine you're in the sea, you're in the ocean, you're holding on to a rubber dinghy. That is your hope. You can see land 5 miles away. What are you going to do? Start swimming, going nuts? Because the more effort you put into that, the more you're going to tire yourself out, which is going to stop you from getting to the destination, and you may just drown in the sea. Hope is spirituality for me. Hope is other people's stories. Tony Robbins' story. I was like, if he could do it, why can't I do it? It gave me hope. It gave me possibility. It gave me belief in myself. You're holding onto that rubber dinghy. You can steer yourself in the ocean. You get on land and then you say, right, where do I go from here? Right, I need to go to that other island. Right, now I'm on land, I can make a bit of a dinghy now. I can make it out of sticks. I can make it out of whatever we've got here. Then you get to the next land. There's someone who knows how to make machines, how to make engines. I can now make a speedboat. And then eventually, before you know it, you're in your yacht sailing to wherever you want to go to because you have the power, you have the belief, you have the tools, you have the ability, you have the skills. And what that takes is your belief in yourself, going back to everything. And how do you change that? Repetition. Repeat, repeat, repeat. I am amazing. Know it. Not just repeating it, I'm amazing. I'm amazing with clear intention, with clear feeling behind it, and it will manifest to you. So if you truly believe that this is something that has helped you, you truly believe that this is something that can change your life, and I know this will change your life, I know it for a fact, 100%. Do you know it? That's the thing. And if you don't believe right now, watch this video again. Watch this video again. It's about repetition. The more you do it, the easier it becomes, and it becomes you. That's what it is. And if this video has helped you, I want you to send this to a friend. I want you to send this to a loved one. Everyone wins. You win because you get the information again and again and again. They win because they get the information again and again and again. So you guys both get to change. Or if you send it to loads of people. And also I win because I get to inspire more people, and that's my goal. And I truly appreciate that. So I love you. You're amazing. You're perfect. Keep doing it. But I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. I hope this video has given you some inspiration, some knowledge, some information that you can use to completely change your life. If you have any questions, comment below or send me a message on Instagram. More than happy to help. But have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity.